Minwax presents Wood Stain in One Step. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply our water-based one-step stain and top coat, which completes projects up to 3 times faster and simplifies the entire process by combining the stain and protect steps into one. Choose from over 240 colors and apply to cover both bare and previously finished surfaces. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's what you need for your project. Start with wood that's clean and dry. If you're staining new or raw wood, sand with a 220 grit sandpaper in the direction of the wood grain until smooth, and clean off all the sanding dust. For previously finished wood, lightly sand to ensure adhesion, and clean off the sanding dust. The remaining steps apply both to bare and finished pieces. Stir the product thoroughly, and test the stain in a hidden spot to make sure you like the color. Next, apply a thin coat in the direction of the wood grain with a high-quality synthetic bristle brush. Note, you do not need to wipe this stain after application. Allow the coat to dry for 2 hours. If you would like a deeper color, wait 2 hours and repeat the process. So that's it. Simple process, faster results. Thanks for watching.